Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content.
Top 4 New Collection Remote Control High-Speed Rail Fuxing Review 2025.
Number 4.
Ensure the TOMY Shinkansen train is used on smooth, clean tracks. Charge fully before play for best acceleration. Activate sound effects for interactive fun. Avoid wet or dusty environments. Supervise younger children. Store safely after use to protect parts and maintain durability.
Number 3.
Remote Control High-Speed Rail Fuxing RC Train. Ensure the track is assembled firmly before use. Charge the train fully for optimal speed. Avoid using on carpets. Supervise children during play. Clean wheels regularly.
Number 2.
Main feature: 2.4 GHz controller / 1 key open door / forward / back / turn left / right / accelerate / speed reduction / voice of announce the stops. 3.6V 300 mAh recharge battery 30 minutes lifetime. Long press open door key. The train will open / close the door. Announce the stops when the door is opened or closed. The train station will send a voice.
Number 1.
This 114 cm high-speed RC train model features 2.4G remote control, realistic sound effects, and a unique one-key door opening function. Perfect for kids and train enthusiasts, it delivers immersive play with subway-style design, smooth motion, and detailed features. A great gift for boys.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.